This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by working on copies, not originals, and that protects you from accidental damage. Once you have backups, inspect the file header and size so you know whether corruption is header level or data level. Next, open the file in a hex viewer and look for the RIF and WAVF markers. Missing or truncated headers usually cause silence or playback errors. Then use a simple audio tool, Audacity or X, to attempt header reconstruction or import raw data. This first step tells you whether automated fixes will help. Once you know the header is broken but the PCM data remains, import the file as raw audio and explicitly set sample rate, bit depth, and channel count so the tool interprets bytes correctly. Make sure to listen and check waveform alignment as you try parameters. Slight mismatches produce pitch or speed shifts. If audio is fragmented, reconstruct contiguous segments and rebuild a proper RIF header using a template or repair utility. Then apply click removal and normalization to stabilize levels before exporting an intermediary WAV for You finish by validating the restored file against expectations. Confirm sample rate, channels, and that playback has no gaps. Once done, run a spectral analysis and listen through critical sections. If you still hear artifacts, apply spectral repair or manual crossfades and repeat export. Make sure to keep iterative backups of each attempt so you can revert and try different parameters without losing progress. If nothing works, consider contacting a specialized audio recovery service and provide your documented steps and copies to speed recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.